This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 20th, 2019. This one here, I got a oil boiler. A couple of towns over with a power venter. Lady's calling me, she wants me to service it. So I don't think I've worked here before. I think I might have changed the water tank for her or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going over there now and give it the old once over. I think it's a new customer. You love driving. I know you love driving. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. You are one driving machine. I know you are. Power venter. Sorry for the light. She's a crusty one. Makeup here. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I've never been here before, so. And this guy that's got these stickers on here is no longer worth doing it. Oh, yeah. In a while. That's what we'll put in there. Yeah, the filter's still okay. That's a good sign. See how high that is? I don't like that. That's really high. Drop that down a little bit. I'll have to reset these maybe. That's about what, I like to see that. That's better. About a dime in front. You want to put them out too far in front because then you have a problem with it. The oil, you don't want to hit the oil, so. This is a steel boiler. We'll fire it up, we'll check the oil flow, see what we got for oil flow, and be able to see if the filters are dirty. Not easy with this flipping thing in the way here. I could just take this right out if I could. They got all tape on it. I usually like to disconnect these. It makes my life a lot easier. But no. But no. Alright, we'll be able to fire it up and see what we get for oil flow here. Once we fire it, we'll see what we're getting for oil flow. Plenty of oil flow there, so that's not a problem. Why I got a cap on the end of that, don't you? Well, you know. I did jump out FF, so I wouldn't shut off. I want to check the draft over the fire. Perfect right there. It's perfect right there. See my fingers over the hole. Release. It's perfect draft. It's hard to get a judgment on what the flame looks like from the camera, but it's fine. This is the Utica boiler. I'm not a big fan of Utica. Power venter. Alright, new nozzle, clean burner head, reset electrodes, good oil flow, good draft over fire. I'm ready to go here with this for another year. Oil tank's right here, but that filter's fine. I could tell by the oil flow coming through the pump when I was running it, right? And I'm good to go.